at this one. Man, this one has a even smaller panel. This is smaller than that other one I saw in Guyana. Go down to SS. It's the basement. This one has a nice motor. Yeah, I think it's an older Phase 2 Classe A. There were other Classe As that I rode that had this same motor sound. Let's go to 3 so I can hear the motor. Here it goes. It's a this is very well kept. Very well down to the ground floor. Pretty clean, nothing on the walls, not at all. I have a assembler. This one is very nice. It's a nice Classe A, nice motor, nice. Looks nice here.